Hi, my name is Skyler with Transwest Mobile Alignment Service. We offer alignments for medium duty and heavy duty tractors and trailers. All alignment technicians are certified through Transwest as well as Hunter. We will also perform suspension related repairs, warranty repairs, as well as recalls that your units may have. Transwest Mobile Service comes to you in all of Colorado, parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, Utah, and New Mexico, as well as Minnesota and all their surrounding areas.